Morning. We got T and Dad with us today. Taking the Montero, the green Land Cruiser. The sun is right in our eyes right there.
Yeah, it's very bright.
There we go, that's a little better. So we're headed out to Camas, Soapstone Road. Gonna go grab a Subaru that slid off in the snow. Probably pretty uneventful one, but it's always fun to get out in the snow, and it's always a beautiful drive to go up the 150, so.
You never know, it might slide off the side and become interesting. We'll see.
We'll watch the camera to see if Ben pushes off the side.
Oh, geez.
Okay, enjoy the show.
Ben, Nicholas, Phil, T, Caleb.
I'm the one you've been talking to.
Excellent.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You saw it's basically just the two left tires and really dug into the snow.
Got into soft stuff.
Yeah, the two right tires are on hard stuff. I got a log stuck in the back left tire trying to get traction. I got a stick in the front right tire trying to get traction.
So do you want to stay down here and have us just bring it down to you? Do you want to go up with us? What's your plan? We just need the keys.
Yeah, I'll come up with you to the parking lot and I'll just hang out there.
Okay, grab the keys. And
That should be anyways. There you are.
I'm just gonna top off because I like to top off before we go in the mountains, and then.
I'm gonna see if they have any good bagels.
Yeah, I was thinking maybe one of those blueberry pastries.
No past pastries at all.
They don't have any.
Gone already?
When we go hunting, we always stop here
Oh, really?
because at 5 a.m. they always have a nice assortment of pastries.
Yeah. I'm up there right now. I'm going to get the parking lot.
Okay, perfect. We'll just meet you there then.
Kind of seems like you live off that stuff.
No, it's Kickstarter. Kickstart your day. It's breakfast. Yeah.
That's so healthy.
It's Mountain Dew. Of course it's healthy.
I think it's the opposite.
Mountain Dew is breakfast.
Phlegm drying on my giant forehead.
That's the car.
This license plate says ha 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 ha. Look at his license plate. His license plate.
Wow.
That's not gonna do anything. Doctor? You're supposed to say doctor.
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor? Doctor? Doctor? Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
Doctor?
And doctor. Well, we miss anyone?
I don't know what that means.
Ah!
Well,
You got the keys?
Yeah, should we go past and have Dad turn around and me turn around first? And then hook up a 10-foot to the front and pull it around? That way we're all facing the right direction. Or I could still come down and winch, but I just think it'd be easier to turn around up there.
It would be. It's definitely wider right there. I mean, we could turn around right there, but... And 10 foot would probably drag the nose around because you'll be headed downhill.
I can get off to the side more too.
Yeah.
I don't know, if you think the winch should be better, no, the winch would be better. I can just turn around.
It's controlled, but either way.
Had a hard time grabbing my tent, or finding my tent. It's a problem when you have so many vehicles. You forget where you put stuff. Passenger side, or should we try driver's side?
I would do probably passenger side.
You want to trim the tires? Oh, actually, there's a hook out front.
This is Subaru, they often do, so.
It's not a very good hook.
Want them to take side pressure?
Not much.
Okay.
But
So I can turn
we're not,
all the way to the
we're not
right.
hitting it. We're not going to bump it.
So,
So
with light pressure,
static pull.
is going to drive past and we'll hook this to the rear, drag the nose around so it's headed downhill.
I don't want to do it to this side.
No, I think this side.
This side will start pulling faster. Put more sideways pressure on it rather
It
than
would.
backwards pressure.
But then the rope's going to be all the way over there, and it just puts the bodies closer together.
We passed though. I don't think that'll be an issue.
It's just when it starts to get to here, right at that point, it might be fine, but it might be fine this way too. We don't know yet how much traction that has.
Jump in it and see if we can move it.
You can see the tires are down to poles. I don't think it's going to move unless you give just a little bit, and then it might just come right around. So
Well, let's see how
until
much,
it gets over there.
because it's also frozen overnight. See if you can pivot it this way at all. Then we at least know more what we're working with. I'm so far behind and I'm hitting the tire. I think we should go over to this other side.
It's not locked, so the tire doesn't really need to spin, but you don't want it to drive forward.
Yeah. Think we should rehook or just do it?
Either way, you can see it better than I can from here. So.
I think it would give us a better angle. Far over now.
That blanket's wrapping around the tire.